Now, in some big news coming in, New Zealand has made a U-turn on one of its praiseworthy policies. The government will scrap its smoking ban, and this will be to fund tax cuts. New Zealand was lauded as a nation for introducing a legislation under the Jacinda Ardern tenure, which banned cigarette sales to anyone born after 2008. The policy aimed to curb the deadly smoking habit among the people of New Zealand, especially the youth. The ban aimed to prevent an entire generation from picking up the habit and save the healthcare system billions of dollars. The legislation was praised globally. Key research models supported the smoking ban. The world-first policy introduced a steadily rising smoking age to stop those under 14 years from ever being able to legally buy cigarettes. Other measures aimed to making smoking less affordable and accessible. More funding was to be allocated for reducing smoking within the Maori and Pacific communities. Stores allowed to sell cigarettes were to be reduced from 6,000 to 600 countrywide. Now, the ban is believed to have inspired the United Kingdom to phase out smoking for future generations. Research had said that smoke-free laws could have saved up to 5,000 lives a year. New Zealand was to implement its stringent smoking ban from July of 2024, that's next year. Cut to 2023 and the ban has been scrapped. To help pay for tax cuts, the new Prime Minister, Christopher Luxon, says that the smoke-free laws will enable a flourishing black market for tobacco. He says that the revenue from selling cigarettes would also generate much-needed revenue for the government. Health experts have criticized the move and they have called it a retrograde step on a world-leading health measure. In fact, the move has been called a big win for the tobacco industry. Now, Luxon added that New Zealand will continue to lower smoking rates through awareness campaigns, but public health experts are not buying it. They say that this is prioritizing profit over Kiwi lives. They say that this policy reversal will impact the Maori community to a greater extent. The Maoris, the indigenous community that is of New Zealand, reportedly have higher smoking rates. Now remember, New Zealand was lauded for being a world leader for taking a tough stance against smoking. Now it is being criticized for reversing a public health measure.